The Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, is all set to conduct its Class 12th board examinations from the month of February. As per the date sheet, the Class 12th BST board exam will be conducted on 14th March 2019. Let's have a quick review at the exam pattern. The question paper will carry 100 marks and is divided into two parts. Part A, Functions and Principles of Management, which consists of 60 marks, and Part B, Business, Finance and Marketing, which consists of 40 marks. So, here are some tips for you to score above 95% in your BST board exam. After studying a chapter, try explaining the important points in your own words. It will help you revise the main topics. When you write your answers, keep in mind that the most important factor is clarity. Use subheadings, headings and suitable points to make your answers easy to read and easy to understand. Present your answers with the help of charts and graphs. This would definitely help you in scoring better marks. Underlining the keywords or key points is one of the most useful tactics to bring attention of the examiner. Do not get confused between the two terms. For example, importance of planning is that it provides direction, whereas feature of planning is that it focuses on achieving objectives. Maintain the word limit in order to finish the paper on time. And guys, last but not the least, do not cram up the topics. Try to understand them and remember the keywords. I hope these tips will help you to score above 95% in your BST board exam. Study hard and all the very best.